Well, I think the DSS are doing their job. They're supposed to safeguard the system. But the problem is, DSS should reflect on what is the cause of these agitations. I mean, we're in a political democracy. When DSS issued a warning is because people are agitating for something. The question is why and what is that something? So I will say that honestly, we need to face the social problems first before we deploy the forces and the warnings. The social problems is very simple. We are here talking about just our existence in a country that is ours, just our survival in a country that is ours, just our peace, just our environment to do business, to cater for our family. Are we asking for too much? Is the country demanding too much from leaders we have elected? We need to be accountable to the citizens. We need to have responsibility. The Constitution guarantees basic right to citizens, and citizens are asking for that right. So therefore, I think the pushback should be carefully looked at so that we don't push people off the grid. My fear is simple. The more we push back on the desire of people to live peacefully in their own country, the more we get reaction. I mean, in engineering, we always say action and reaction are equal and opposite. But in politics, it could be opposite, but it doesn't come equally. It can come in a different and more magnitude.